All right, this is a tangle called Catkin, which we did last night in the live, and it was fabulous. We believe that this originated by Mimi Lempart, I believe is her name. And so we did this on live. We did it a few different times. I definitely will modify this to do it my own way, but it's so great. Now remember, my focus on tangling is about self-care and adult time out, taking care of you, your self-exploration journey. It's about the process on the way to the end of the tangle, and the tangle's a bonus at the end. It's not, so when people talk about creativity, yes, you can use tangling for creativity. For the purposes of what I teach it for, it's for a tool in your toolbox to see if it helps with depression, anxiety, stress relief, grief. And I have had messages upon messages from people who say how much that this has helped them. So start with gratitude. Find the things that you're grateful for. Inhale those, and the exhale, get rid of all the junk, all the things that normally would hang over your head while you're drawing or tangling or whatever it is. And when you exhale, feel your shoulders come down away from your ears and just breathe. You'll be lighter with the pen, lighter with the pressure, and just breathe. Enjoy this time for you, no matter what you do with a tangle like this, whether you paint it or leave it the way it is. Enjoy it, but most importantly, enjoy the process to get there, about learning more about yourself, to make sure that you're breathing, not biting the inside of your cheek, clenching your jaw. Just enjoy the process. Everybody have a great day.